We believe that the border peace will be an additional valuable additions to the existing international organizations mechanisms to promote peace, stability, and also to build and secure peace in many regions that are affected and are threatened by war and conflicts. Cambodia right now has been in border issue with Thailand over the past 6 months, and we hope that the border peace will also play a role in helping for de-escalation and restore peace stability between Cambodia and Thailand as well. Unfortunately, so far it's still fragile. We still have Thai forces occupied deep into Cambodian territory in many areas. This is further beyond even Thailand's own unilateral claim line, borderline. Also, certain activities that have been conducted by Thai troops, such as the laying of containers, barbed wire to block the road, has caused hardship to our people. We have about 80,000 people displaced, cannot go home now because of the blockage. So this is not an accusation, but it's a statement of the facts on the ground. Of people dying. So I think President Trump it's already stated clearly that both sides will use JBC as mechanism to settle demarcation work. No other mechanism or the use of force can alter or determine the boundary of the country. So our position is we want to have this JBC, even the technical work, to resume as fast as possible to determine, whose land is belonged to. Cambodia do not want or wish to infringe on our neighbor's sovereignty or territorial integrity. We also do not accept the violation of our sovereignty or territorial integrity. So the only way to verify that is using the technical mechanism that we have based on treaties, based on all the agreement we have. So we hope that Thailand will agree and start to allow the JBC to work as early as possible, as stated in the joint statement on the 27th of December. So now the election is done, we hope that Thailand can start, at least on the technical level, that to start measuring or start demarcated in the hot zone so that we can go back to life, We had clearly stated, first, our constitution does not allow us to have any countries to have military base on our. We did not change the constitution because we did not intend to have any base on there. Second, during the construction period, many ships were not able to go in because of the construction, and we said, once it's done, we open up for all the friendship visit, which happened. So we have nothing to hide on this because we have obligation to our people also that we're not allowing any foreign military base on there. And as for Cambodia, to choose relationship China over US or US over China is not our choice. We are sovereign countries. We pursue the policy of friends with all countries. Each relationship with any country is not mutually exclusive. Our relationship with the US, with China, with Japan, with others is based on respect and shared interests between our two countries. So I think there shouldn't be any doubt on that.